step into the 2012 Audi A7. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include power door locks, front head airbag, passenger illuminated visor mirror, power passenger seat, cruise control, transmission with dual shift mode, AC, and emergency trunk release. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.